I was trying to figure out how to change the sprocket on my Echo DCS-5000 battery operated chainsaw. I checked the operator's manual. I went all over YouTube trying to find out how to get this sprocket off, and I have finally figured it out. You have to go to the sprocket. There is a keeper on here that is like spring loaded and in a groove. You have to, this has a flat side on each side on the shaft. You have to take a small screwdriver, get that spring keeper started, and then you take and just bring it out. You may have to get this end here from the groove. Alright, and you see it's spring loaded, and there's a groove in the shaft here. You take this out, and then the sprocket is easily removed. Then you can get into your throttle mechanism in this area here if you take this plate off, and that's about all you can get into. But you do get into your screws in here that you can take these halves apart. So I hope you got something from this video.